Morning boys and girls, and welcome to vlog number 2. Check it out. 100 litre stainless steel boil kettle. Let's have a quick gander. Okay, check it out. 3,000 yen at a recycle centre, about $30 US. Not in bad nick, little bits of dings and scratches on the outside. Just superficial damage, but on the inside, pretty spotless. Needs a good clean though. There you go, there's the heart of the baby. Camco 5500 watt heating element. We've got a little outlet down there. I'll probably fit a screen on there for hops. Sight glass outlet. Yeah, let's have a look on the outside again. You can see the element coming through the kettle wall. I picked up these little project boxes on eBay for about $6. 22mm LED lamp, 220 volt, picked up on eBay for $1. If you look at my wiring configuration, the black wire is 100 volts phase, and we've got the other 100 volt phase on red, and the white, which is actually going to be the earth. I will tape it up in green to make it more recognisable. But yeah, this baby's working, man. It's pulling. The Japanese system isn't quite 209 volts, I think, so the Camco will probably give me about 4,500 watts power. Anyway, that's enough to boil. That's all we need. There's 30 amp connector, which they're really nifty little things. They're a little quarter turn. If you look, there's a little lip on one of the prongs there, and you just quarter turn it, just locks it in place. There's no chance of that falling out while you're brewing. Just a quick look at the project box up close. You can see 1¼ nut, 1¼ washer, and a heat resistant O-ring which seals the box to the wall of the kettle. I got this baby, the Camco, for $27 online from Amazon, along with the nut, the washer and the O-ring. It was cheap as, and probably no, I just went for a safe option. Anyway, yeah, check it out. Okay boys and girls, that's all for now, because the kiddies are coming to study English shortly. See ya!